Good morning, traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist. RJO Futures, it's Friday morning, December 6th, here to talk to you about the grain markets. Okay, it's all about China and China news headlines this morning. Quite a bit news reports that China's going to waive the tariffs on U.S. soybeans, so perhaps we're getting closer and closer to this phase one agreement December 15th. It'll be a big day for the markets December 15th, and certainly, you know, the bears got Thanksgiving, and we'll see if some of this news flow, the bulls can capture Christmas here moving forward. Our first chart of corn here this morning, you can see in pretty good support. I think corn could rally 50 cents here. March corn maybe going up to the 430 level. Certainly, exports are the key here. There were a 4-week low again yesterday. So exports on all the grains, very lackluster yesterday. Perhaps the Thanksgiving holiday week had something to do with it. We just need exports to pick up. It's key, it's demand, and I think it's going to happen. So look for this corn market. It's in good support. I'd be cautious about being short here. I think the downside is limited. We don't get big rallies until the funds have a heavy net short position, and that's where we're at right here today. So soybean market, you can tell, remember last week, now we had the soybean chart on, the RSI in oversold conditions. So this week now, 4 days of higher highs and higher lows. So you can see the RSI I have here in front of you adjusting here from that oversold position. So good story on China, USA. You know, we spent 30 years building this soybean trade to China, and we get this phase one deal going. Hopefully we can get back to normal trading, export soybeans to China. Our estimates, I'm estimating China needs maybe 1.5–2 million soybeans in January from us, so we'll see how this all comes together. And then the wheat market here, you can see in pretty good support. Australia came out with their wheat productions, and it's an 11-year low, and the market's known this for many, many weeks and months. So one of the big wheat producers in the world having some production woes here. Again, Egypt bought wheat this week, and all of it was Russian origin, followed by Ukraine. So we're not the cheapest wheat producer in the world. We've got good quality wheat, good quality grain. We just need to compete on this export front, and I think you see the price discovery change here. So wrapping this up, weekend coming up. Let's all have an excellent weekend.